Eat these 6 foods to naturally cleanse your liver. Hello, on behalf of ARM TV, I'd like to welcome you to another informative content. ARM TV is where you get informed, educated, and entertained with amazing content from across Africa. If you are new here, welcome. Let us know what you think about this content and also tell us your favorite topics you will want us to cover in the comment section, and we will make that happen. A day hardly goes by without us consuming processed food. We also take in so many preservatives and additives on a daily basis. All this makes it crucial that our body be given a boost from time to time so that it keeps working properly and remains healthy. The liver plays one of the most important roles in the body, which is to eliminate waste and harmful toxins from the body. Without the liver, your body would not be able to absorb nutrients from food. For these toxins to be flushed out of your body and detox your liver, make sure to include in your regular diet these 6 foods for your liver. Before we get started, remember to smash that like and subscribe button and ring the notification bell to keep up to date with our future videos. Turmeric contains curcuma as its primary active ingredient. It is known as a very powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. This ingredient also helps in protecting your bile duct. This helps in boosting bile flow, thus working as liver cleanser. It also helps in rejuvenating your liver cells through the prevention of alcohol and toxins converting into compounds that could cause damage to your liver. When you sprinkle some turmeric to your food, it helps in adding a little flavor while giving its amazing health benefits. Number 2. Avocados. Avocado is well known as a superfood. When you realize that it is also a superfood for your liver, you will have more reasons to consume it. Avocado has glutathione, vitamin C and vitamin E. These nutrients work as antioxidants that help in neutralizing harmful free radicals and in protecting liver cells against damage. Both vitamin E and K present in this fruit further helps in protecting your liver against harmful inflammation because they are anti-inflammatory. They have healthy fats that further help in improving your cholesterol levels. Number 3. Grapefruit. How grapefruit works to help your liver is that it contains high amounts of vitamin C and glutathione. There are so many processes in our body that require glutathione. These include producing protein and chemicals essential for the body, tissue building and repair, and making a stronger immune system. Number 4. Leafy green vegetables can help in protecting your liver as they neutralize chemicals, metals, and pesticides from the environment and your foods. You should take more spinach, chicory, and arugula because they can help in increasing bile flow and eliminating waste products. You should also take beets because they help in cleansing and purifying your blood. This helps in boosting liver function and increases the production of nutrients in your body. You should also take cruciferous vegetables like Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, and broccoli. They are beneficial for the liver in the production of enzymes that aid in removing toxins. Number 5. Walnuts. You should be taking more walnuts because they are rich in amino acid arginine. It plays an important role in helping your liver in the detoxification of ammonia. Besides, walnuts also contain high amounts of omega-3 acids and glutathione. They support liver detoxification and are loaded with antioxidants, thus helping in the neutralization of harmful free radicals. They also have healthy unsaturated fats, which help in 2 main ways: protection from the accumulation of fat in your liver and development of strong cell membranes around the liver cells. Number 6. Garlic. Garlic is loaded with so many powerful benefits for your liver. It has selenium in it, a mineral that helps boost antioxidant actions, which is great for detoxification of the liver. The vitamin B6 in garlic works as an anti-inflammatory in your liver. The arginine in garlic, which is an amino acid, helps in giving relaxation to the blood vessels. This helps in easing blood pressure within your liver. That's it. 6 foods that naturally cleanse the liver. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching and learned something new. And give us your opinion on this content. Share to others to educate them too. Tell us your favorite topics you want us to cover and we will make that happen. Please subscribe and turn on the notification if you are new here so you do not miss any of our upcoming videos. See you on the next.